I can't find the sound. I think they took it off deliberately. But this is the first manned space, first manned venture into space. It was a balloon, a helium balloon with this capsule attached to it. I think it was 1948, and they went up, and I can't remember how far they went up, but they went up, and they sent back a picture of space, and we'll see what that looks like. Now, remember, 1948, nobody had ever seen space before. Okay, they got no idea what it looks like, and this is the very first images shown. And I'm going to have to try and stop it at the right moment. So that's them going up. And this is space. Let me go back a second. I want you to see. Look at the moon. I'll try and stop it. Look at the moon. You see the crescent moon and the star in the middle of it there. Okay, literally, this is what they palmed off to people as space back in 1948, because again, nobody had seen it before. Right.
So, like, a simple question would be, can you see stars in space? So, NASA, can you see stars in space?
Because you can see the stars.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and pretty much all the time you can see the stars.
Yeah. It's not a black void. I mean, it's black, but there's all kinds of little polka dots.
There's all the stars there, and the cool thing is about it, you can see it during the day.
Yeah, you can, and there's more than stars. You can see planets. You can see moons.
You see the gas Magellan clouds of the Milky Way galaxy.
Okay, so you can see stars from space.
And when you're in space and you're looking into deep space and you're on the sun side of the orbit, the sunlight washes out all the starlight, so you can't see any stars, just like here on Earth. But then when you look out into deep space away from the sun, it's the darkest black you can imagine, right? And so what happens is you really lose your depth perception. You can't tell if something's close by or far away.
Okay, so you can't see stars from space.
You see lots of points. And you see lots of points, and that literally millions of them. There's, the thing about Carl Sagan, billions of billions of stars. There really are billions and billions of stars, and you can see them. In fact, they're so numerous, it's very difficult to pick out the constellations you and I see here on the ground.
Okay, so you can see stars from space.
The sky is a deep black when viewed from the moon, as it is when viewed from cislunar space, the space between the Earth and the moon. The Earth is the only visible object other than the sun that can be seen, although there have been some reports of seeing planets. I myself did not see planets from the surface, but I suspect they might be visible.
Okay, listen, so you cannot see stars from space. That's the final answer.
And we have to realize that in space, without the intervening atmosphere, the heavens are 10 times as bright, stars 10 times as numerous, because there's no atmosphere to block the light.
Look, I'm going to ask this question one more time. Can you or can you not see stars in space?
We were never able to see stars from the lunar surface or on the daylight side of the moon by eye without looking through the optics. I don't recall during the period of time that we were photographing the solar corona what stars we could see.
I don't remember seeing any.
They can't even remember seeing stars. They can't remember if they saw stars when they went to space. Yo, I went to Disney World when I was 6, and I remember what my favorite ride was. They went to space and don't remember if they saw stars in the sky. So, yeah, I'm crazy because I don't believe what NASA is saying.
Now,